Let me teach you how to prevent data entry errors using data validation. Imagine that you want to collect some information about your business. Maybe you want to collect information about your product. You want to know the units sold, the revenue per product, the cost, selling price, and all. And you send this to your sales rep to fill in the details for you. But you don't want him or her to make any mistake in the data entry. What you can do is to validate some of the column in the spreadsheet. For example, you will validate the one that is constant. Now, the only thing that is constant here is the product that you're selling. Now, the units sold, the revenue per cookie, they are not constant. So let's validate this our product column. The first thing that you're going to do is to list out the product that you're selling. Let's say, for example, you are selling biscuits. There may be sweets, beverages, cereals, maybe you're having snacks, just to list products that you can sell. Now that you have your list, then let's start our validation. The first thing that you're going to do is to go and highlight the place that you want to validate. So I want to highlight every other cell that is after this product. I'm going to click on the first cell, press my Control Shift, then the arrow key, so that it will highlight every cell in the column. Scroll back up and go and pick my data validation tool. I'll go under the data ribbon and look for my data validation. This is my data validation in my version of Excel. I'm going to click on it and click on data validation. Then I'm going to click on the settings. To set my data validation, I'm going to pick list. Then I'm coming here to come and pick my list. This is my list here. Then I'm going to give an error message. Maybe, for example, if the person decides not to enter anything that's from the list, which error message will Microsoft Excel display? I'm going to write something like invalid products. Pick from the drop down list. So when I do that, I'm going to press my OK. Now that I've done this, I have validated each and every cell under this column. So let's say, for example, now I'm the data entry guy and I want to enter my products. I want to make some entries into this cell. So all I have to do is just click on this drop down arrow. You can see that every cell has a drop down arrow attached to it. That's because I have validated it. So let me say, for example, I want to pick biscuits and enter the unit sold, revenue per product, and all for biscuits. And I can also do the same thing for the next row, maybe sweets. Let's say, for example, the data entry guy decides to make a mistake and enter something like chewing gum, which is not part of what we have validated, and press enter. Are you seeing that Microsoft Excel displayed the error message that I wrote the other time? This is how to validate your spreadsheet in order to curb data entry mistakes. Hey, that was simple, right? If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, I have a 1-hour free live training for you where you will learn 10 essential Microsoft Excel skills for your small business and for your job role. If you are a business owner and you need Microsoft Excel skill, or you are a professional and you use Microsoft Excel in your daily job role, or you are an intending freelancer that you need a skill to learn to earn online, or you are a graduate and you need to upskill your knowledge of Microsoft Excel, or you want to dive into the world of data analysis, then I have a free 1-hour live training for you where you will learn 10 essential Microsoft Excel skills. If you are interested, click the link below to register and secure your slot. There are only 50 slots that are available. Click the link now to secure your slot.